In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide notes in PowerPoint while presenting. This is a handy trick, especially if you want to keep your notes private during a presentation without your audience being able to see them. Let's jump in. First, we need to open PowerPoint, so fire up your application. If you haven't already installed it, make sure you download it from the official website or have it accessible through your Office 365 subscription. Once you've got PowerPoint open and ready, you're going to pick the presentation you'd like to work with. This could be an existing file or perhaps a new one that you're currently designing. Now that you're in your desired presentation, head over to the Slideshow tab on the ribbon at the top of your screen. This area provides a wealth of options related to setting up and executing your slideshow. The next step is crucial. Make sure to check the box that says Use Presenter View. You'll find this option under the Monitor section in the Slideshow tab. By selecting this, you're enabling a feature in PowerPoint that displays the slideshow on the projector or external monitor for your audience, while a more detailed view shows on your device, which includes your notes along with a timer and a preview of the upcoming slides. You might want to adjust your notes at this point. Go ahead and click on the Notes section, which is typically found beneath your slide in the normal view. Here you can add, edit, or review the notes that you'd like to refer to during your presentation. Remember, these can be as detailed as you need them to be. Think of them like cue cards. Just make sure they're clear and concise enough for you to quickly glance over during your presentation. Here comes the magic part. When you begin your presentation with Presenter View active, your audience will see the slides without any notes or additional presenter details. It remains a seamless view from one slide to the next. However, on your screen, you'll see the Presenter View, which includes your notes and additional tools to help guide you smoothly through the session. And there you have it. With Presenter View enabled, you can confidently navigate through your presentation while keeping your notes just a glance away. It's an excellent way to ensure you stay on track without revealing behind-the-scenes information to your audience. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy presenting!